Did you know that Rumi produced the majority of his works in Turkey? Today, I'm going to take you on a spiritual journey. We are visiting Rumi. The journey of Rumi spreads across 4,000 kilometers, but it is here in Konya where he spent the last 45 years of his life, built his philosophy, and was laid to his final resting place. Rumi's tomb in Konya is a mystical place that offers unique insight into Sufism. Its turquoise dome, symbolic gates, and courtyards continue to attract people from all around the world. His significance transcends national, religious, and ethnic borders, and he is one of the top-selling poets in the United States. Rumi introduced poetic, musical, meditative rituals as a form of worship. Known as the Sema, a dervish whirls in meditation with his right arm stretched to the heavens to receive God's goodness, while his left arm stretches down to earth in service of God's creation. By spinning, they imitate the universe and aim to reach the source of all perfection. This hypnotic ceremony has been proclaimed by UNESCO to be one of the masterpieces of intangible heritage of humanity.